I'm gonna make an earring lot. How about that? And then I have some rings. Look at all these rings. Oh my goodness. This is just this one bag. I still have another bag to go. Oh, these earrings are too cute. I'll have to see if I can find the mate to this one. Come on, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, these are not going to go in the lot. These are too cool. Are you ready? Look at these. Oh, these are really neat. Look at the wheel kind of at the top. And then this real ornate, and everything seems to be there. Oh, wow. They're really cool. And they are about the same length, I'm guessing. No, they're about 2 inches. 2 inches long. I'm going to say $3 on those. Dangly. Dangly earrings. There's some copper. I don't know if these are real copper or not, but they're very Southwest. They're kind of cool. And they are about, no, they're an inch and a half, an inch and a quarter, I guess. But they're kind of neat. Here's the back. I'm going to say $2 on the copper earrings. Copper, faux copper. And I'm still going to put a lot together because, oh, look at this. Is there another one? Oh gosh. Look, it's an earring. Well, I hope I have another. It's a slot machine. Look at these. These are cute. They're little blue beads, like the faux pearls, dangles. I'm going to say $2 on those. They're really cute in here, and I'm going to make a lot with them. And some of them are really cool. Neat little cute things. They're little caged pearls. I'm going to put them in a lot. Look at these. They're hooked together, all these. They're real dainty. Okay. It's a little yellow train. Well, actually, it's an engine. Little yellow engine. Does that mean anything? I don't know. How about $1 for the yellow engine? I'll put that off to the side. And okay, I think I'm getting the because I think they came from the same person. Okay, so that goes over there. This goes over here. This is the pearl lot, and um, okay, the rings. Okay, pearl lot. Oh, look at these. These are cool. These are really little, but they're like a fan shape, and look at this. This one moves. You can wear the single little tiny pearl all by itself, or you can attach this fan part and wear it also. Wow, because I just went to pull this out and the pearl thing came out with it, and that's what it is. It's a two-in-one earring. Oh wow, is that cool or what? Oh, I'm gonna put those separate. I'm gonna say $3 on those. Those are cool because that's like two pair of earrings in one. Now here we go with the lot. Are you ready? And I'm gonna throw these in. They're not pearls, but I'm gonna throw them in. A pair of gold hoops. They're hollow. Don't think they're gold. Hope not. And they need, oh, sorry guys, they need backs, as you can see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pancakes, 4, half hoops, 5, these are cool, 6, wishbones, 7, the pink, 8, the caged, 9, South Sea pearl type things. 10. The color is, at least. I hope they're not South Sea pearls. 10? 10? Is that right? Tell me if I'm wrong. These are cool. With the rhinestones on the bottom or top, however it goes. 11. 11. Plain pearl. 12. And these two don't match. I'll put them aside. Maybe I'll find a match later. So 12 pairs of earrings. 12 pairs of pearl earrings with pearls or pearl. Some of them are really cool. I'm going to say $15 for the lot. That's a hair over $1 a piece. 15 for the lot. Okay. What is the balance of this bag? And this will be the end of this video. This is glass, artisan glass ring. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Goes all the way around too. Wonder if it's signed. Sometimes they sign the glass. Let's see. I'm not going to take the time to look. I'm just going to. Oh, it's not real big. It's a 5.5. 5.5. It's very pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. 5.5. I'm going to say, oh, this is a lot. Never mind. Forgetting what I'm doing. What is this? A band. I bet this feels like stainless steel. But it's colored in rainbow, iridescent. It's 10. Size 10. Okay. Here's another band. Look at this one. What on earth is that? It's black enamel with a yellow. It almost looks like a Harley Davidson symbol, but I don't think it is. It's got a heart in the middle and some wings going off to the side or something, and it goes all the way around. And let's see what size it is. It is a size 8.5. And I think it's stainless steel also. Okay, and here's another similar. Oh, this one, it says size 20, but we don't have that. This is from overseas somewhere. And you know what it is? Look, it's like a heart with a heartbeat, like on the echocardiogram or whatever. And it goes all the way around. It's a heartbeat, black enamel. And a 20, let's see what a 20 is and wherever it came from. Whoops, wrong way. It's a 10. A 20 is a 10. Oh, so they're half. Okay, and that's stainless steel. And this, what is this? This is a 17. And it's got a cutout of a, look, an airplane. How weird is that? Oh my gosh, and it's so little. That's a pinky. What's that say? Stainless steel. I was right. I was right. Well, how small is this? Wow. Okay, wrong side. It's a 5. The airplane is a 5. Stainless steel. Cute. Very different. And the last one is a stretch, and it looks like it's been stretched a little bit. It's that style. And yeah, it's got a little opening on the back. I don't know. See it? It's what do you call it? A halo type ring with a turquoise color stone in it. And it is a size 9. Oh, will it fit me? Okay, let's see. Yeah, see? There you go. There it is. Pretty. Okay, I'm going to give you all these rings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rings for They're nice. Some of those are nice, and they're stainless steel too, so they're not going to turn. I'm going to say $10 for the 6 rings, and that one is an artisan glass ring. So.